What do organizing and counseling have in common? Hi, I'm Susan Stewart, professional organizer and owner of Perfectly Placed.
And I'm Travis Stewart, a professional counselor. And this is Organizing Deep Dive, where we take a deeper look at the issues surrounding organizing so that your life is easier. Some of the topics that we want to help people with include anxiety, depression, perfectionism, over-shopping, issues with letting go of their kids' things that brings up emotional concerns and difficulties. And so we want to provide a series of videos that dive deeper into what's going on behind the scenes.
Yeah.
When you have
what's
a client,
the deeper? What's the deeper issue? Maybe.
Yeah. So maybe you have a client who's having a hard time getting rid of clothes, baby clothes, but their kids are now in their 20s, right? Mm-hmm. So how can we help them explore that? And we're going to do some of that through videos like this.
Yeah, I'm really excited about the things that we can bring and the additional services we can offer to clients that will help them be able to stay organized.
Yeah. So there will be resources online. We're going to have videos here. You can go to perfectlyplaced.org/deep dive to see more videos as we release those. And then people can also reach out to you if they want to set up a counseling session. Or you're the organizer. Yeah, I'm the counselor. People can reach out to you if they want to do an organizing session. They could contact me if they want to do some counseling around these issues. And then hopefully that combination could really help them make some progress in getting rid of clutter.
I'm so excited to just talk about like the deeper issues beyond just organizing and how people get stuck. If you're excited too, you can watch for more videos at perfectlyplaced.org/deep dive.
Thank you.